Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to shift Excel data from one sheet to another sheet with a formula. That formula is Vlookup and column formula. We will combine two formulas together. We have an Excel sheet. In this sheet, we have given data. That sheet name is sheet 1 and we have 10 entries and these are the names Mr. A, Mr. B up to Mr. J, and here their subjects are given and each subjects have its given numbers, obtained numbers given below. Now we want to shift this data to another sheet to compile the result. Let's see how it is shifted from one sheet to another sheet. uh, we create sheet 2, sheet 3 over here. We can rename it, let's say it is to our sheet 2. We will name it sheet 2. What we have to do, we are just to copy the serial numbers. We will copy serial numbers and paste it over here in the other sheet. Now we will automatically we use formula and shift all data from sheet 1 to sheet 2. Let's see how. We will use VLOOKUP formula. Here it is equal to VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is selected and one is lookup value. Lookup value is A1. That is we are going to shift the data. We must do one thing. We will make the only A column A constant, not the number. We will use shortcut keyboard shortcut function F4. It will make constant all, but we want only column A to be fixed, not the number. And we will use comma. And next is table array. As we want to shift the data from sheet 1, we will just click on sheet 1 and select all the data, all the table given, and we will fix all the entries. Control shift function F4. We will press function F4 key. And next is column index number. Here we use the columns formula. We will just write down column and select columns. Here it will ask the array. Array means the data we want to fetch. We will use the number of next two columns. And next two columns of the sheet 1, we will click on sheet 1, and the next two columns is B and C. We will just in this we will just fix the B column, the column name, not the number. We will use function F4 key, and we will just fix column name, not the number. Remember one thing, I am repeating this. We will just fix the column name, not the column number. Okay. Now in the formula, index number we have written. We will use comma. And now look up range. Range is we will use as we want to fetch the whole table. That's why we will use 0, and we will close the formula and hit enter. As we hit enter, the value in column B1 is names. Let's see, let's confirm it. The value of A1 is names. Here you can see it is names. We will drag this to the column I. You can see each subject is automatically shifted over here. Name of each subject in value of A1 is shifted over here. Let's see, in I column and H column we have SST and GO, and here H, SST and GO. Now we will select all these and we will drag them into up to 10. We will see all the values automatically have been fetched over here. We can just tell them let's match in F6. What is the value of English in F6? Let's see F6 60 and 62 F6, and here it is 62. Okay. In this way you can use the look, you can combine two formulas. Remember one thing, we have used lookup and columns formula. We have combined them together and we have fetched data from one sheet to another. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you must subscribe, like, and share this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.